to the Kid Next Door. Today we will be drawing this easy Christmas scene. Enjoy the Christmas carols while you learn drawing this. It's going to be fun. complete. Because Christmas is a long and difficult spelling, I have written Xmas here. If you know Christmas spelling well, you must write it full Christmas. That would look great. Okay, we have added all the essential decor items which are there in Christmas. So we have Christmas tree, we have Santa Claus, we have gifts, we have cherry leaves, and the wreath. In the Christmas tree coloring, we will first color the decor with the colors of red, orange, yellow and blue. Randomly, you can color them anywhere. Then using the dark green, you have to shade from the top part, leaving the bottom spikes empty, and the bottom spikes we have to color using light green. I have used pencil colors here. You can use any crayons or anything, oil pastels, whichever colors you are more comfortable with. So you will blend both the dark green and light green. In this wreath also we have colored with the same idea. So using dark green, we shaded the top part and light green the bottom part, and we blended light green along with dark green. So basically I used light green and colored the dark green part again. In the cherry leaves again, half part we have colored dark green and half we have colored light green. Now this is Santa Claus. You first color all the red and the brown here, and in the white part I have used the shade of light blue and grey color to give some highlights. Okay, so though there is you can skip that part also, but if you see here in the beard, those little bit of grey strokes and little bit of blue strokes here and there, they do add dimension to the color. In the gift boxes, you can color of your choice, whichever way you like. They should be colorful. Try to use different colors which you have not used in rest of the picture, so it will look very bright and attractive. So in this way your Christmas theme will be complete. You can color the banner and the bells with the color of your choice, and this looks really colorful, attractive and very easy. And it has all the essential items which are normally used in a Christmas decor anywhere across the globe. So the Christmas tree looks fabulous, Santa Claus looks really cute, and we have the Jerusalem cherry and the wreath, which is the bells which are normally there. Merry Christmas all of you. Enjoy making this fun Christmas scene.